Hello, everyone! If your child is passionate about international relations, enjoys learning about different cultures, and dreams of representing the United States on the global stage, becoming a diplomat could be the perfect career path. Diplomats play a crucial role in maintaining and building relationships between countries, negotiating treaties, and promoting U.S. interests abroad. In today's video, we'll guide you and your student through the steps needed to become a diplomat in the USA, including potential earnings and the key subjects to focus on in junior and high school. Let's dive in. We'll cover everything from the educational path required to become a diplomat, the application and training process, and what it takes to succeed in this prestigious career. We'll also discuss potential earnings and the subjects your child should prioritize in school to prepare for a future in diplomacy. If your child is interested in international affairs and has a strong desire to serve their country, keep watching. Understanding the role of a diplomat. Step 1. What does a diplomat do? Diplomats, also known as Foreign Service Officers, FSOs, represent the United States in embassies and consulates around the world. They work on various tasks, including promoting U.S. policies, assisting American citizens abroad, negotiating with foreign governments, and reporting on political, economic, and social conditions in the host country. Diplomats work in different capacities, including political, economic, consular, public diplomacy, and management roles. They may be stationed in different countries throughout their careers, often moving every few years to a new post. Potential earnings: entry-level diplomats earn between $48,000 and $70,000 annually, depending on the location and responsibilities. Mid-level diplomats earn between $70,000 and $110,000 annually. Senior diplomats, such as ambassadors or senior FSOs, can earn between $130,000 and $200,000 or more annually, depending on rank and experience. Recommended subjects. Social studies and history are essential for understanding world history, geography, and the political landscape. Proficiency in one or more foreign languages is highly valued in diplomacy, so encourage your child to study languages like Spanish, French, Arabic, Chinese, or Russian. Strong writing, speaking, and analytical skills in English and communication are crucial for drafting reports, negotiating, and representing the U.S. abroad. Educational requirements and preparation. Step 2. Focus on relevant education. The first step toward a diplomatic career is earning a high school diploma. During this time, students should focus on courses that develop critical thinking, communication skills, and cultural awareness. Most diplomats hold at least a bachelor's degree. Common fields of study include international relations, political science, economics, history, or a foreign language. These programs provide a solid foundation in the skills and knowledge needed for a career in diplomacy. While not required, many diplomats pursue advanced degrees, such as a master's in international relations, public policy, or law. These degrees can enhance qualifications and provide specialized knowledge in areas relevant to foreign service. Recommended subjects. Courses in political science help students understand government systems, international relations, and public policy. Critical knowledge for future diplomats. Understanding global economics and trade relations is important for diplomats involved in economic and trade negotiations. A strong grasp of world geography helps students understand the cultural, political, and economic contexts of different regions. Gaining experience and building a network. Step 3. Gain relevant experience. Encourage your child to seek internships or volunteer opportunities related to international relations, government, or nonprofit organizations. Internships at the State Department, international organizations, or embassies can provide valuable experience and networking opportunities. Participating in a study abroad program can help students develop language skills, cultural awareness, and a global perspective, qualities essential for diplomats. Encourage your child to participate in leadership roles in school clubs, debate teams, or Model United Nations. These activities develop important skills like public speaking, negotiation, and teamwork. Continued study and practice of foreign languages will enhance your child's ability to communicate effectively in a diplomatic role. Understanding historical events, particularly those involving diplomacy, war, and peace, provides valuable context for modern international relations. Courses in public speaking, debate, and writing will help develop the communication skills necessary for effective diplomacy. Applying to become a diplomat. Step 4. Apply to the Foreign Service. To become a diplomat, candidates must pass the Foreign Service Officer Test, which assesses knowledge of U.S. government, world history, economics, and culture, as well as English expression and situational judgment. Preparing for the FSOT requires a broad understanding of current events, international relations, and U.S. history. After passing the FSOT, candidates must undergo an oral assessment that includes a structured interview, group exercises, and case management exercises. This stage evaluates communication, leadership, and decision-making skills. Successful candidates must obtain security and medical clearance. This process includes background checks and medical evaluations to ensure candidates are fit for service in diverse and sometimes challenging environments. After passing the assessments and clearances, candidates are placed on a register of eligibles, from which they may be selected for entry into the Foreign Service when positions become available. A thorough understanding of the U.S. government and its functions is essential for aspiring diplomats, particularly when preparing for the FSOT. Staying informed about global news and U.S. foreign policy is crucial for both the FSOT and the oral assessment. Courses that develop analytical and critical thinking skills, such as philosophy or advanced placement courses, can help students excel in the competitive selection process. Training and career advancement. Step 5. Complete diplomatic training. Newly hired diplomats attend training at the Foreign Service Institute, where they receive instruction in diplomatic practices, foreign languages, and regional studies. This training prepares them for their first overseas assignment. Diplomats typically rotate between assignments every 2 to 4 years. These assignments can be in various regions of the world, offering opportunities to gain experience in different cultural, political, and economic environments. As diplomats gain experience, they may advance to higher positions, such as consul, deputy chief of mission, or ambassador. Advancement often requires additional training, strong performance, and the ability to handle increasingly complex and sensitive issues. Continued language study is often necessary, as proficiency in multiple languages can be critical for career advancement. Courses in international law, global governance, and conflict resolution provide the knowledge needed for handling complex diplomatic issues. Understanding how policies are developed and implemented is essential for diplomats involved in negotiating treaties and international agreements. Conclusion: preparing for a career in diplomacy. Becoming a diplomat is a challenging and prestigious career that offers the opportunity to serve your country and make a global impact. With the right education, experience, and preparation, your child can pursue a successful career in diplomacy, representing the United States around the world. But before you go, I have a huge surprise coming up in just a few days that you definitely won't want to miss. It's something that could provide even more insights and tips to help you and your child succeed on this journey. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications to stay updated and be the first to know when the surprise drops. What's the first step your child is going to take toward becoming a diplomat? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.